Today we're going to look at trail traffic. Now, trail traffic is when you have two-way traffic on a trail. The main point of this is trying to avoid an accident, a head-on collision. We don't want that happening. Nope. It also helps you to check in on the other riders, make sure that everybody's okay. Sometimes they have stuff going on, and maybe you can give them some assistance. Getting over for trail traffic is part of trail etiquette, and I've tried to teach the kids that we need to get over when we can, because it's easier for a motorcycle to get over than it is for a side-by-side. Also, when you're riding on a two-way trail, it's pretty good to have the idea that you need to treat it like a road and stay to the right, because traffic does pass. We try to show everybody common courtesy and try to get over for them, especially the side-by-sides, because they do have a wider path they have to go, so we just want to show them the courtesy to get over. I guess like all my other videos, this is really my opinion, but it doesn't really take that much for us to get over, and then we can go about enjoying our trail ride. We can have fun and just be respectful at the same time. Sometimes other people extend that courtesy and they get over. It just depends on the situation. You gotta watch. Sometimes people will pull over for you, and then sometimes you can pull over for them. It just really depends. Basically showing everybody respect. My main focus in making this video is just to let you guys know, that way you are aware of the situations that can come up on a trail. I want everybody just to have fun, be safe, and have an enjoyable time out riding in God's country. It was a busy day when we met these guys, and I just checked on them when I stopped up here. And I just asked if it was their first time, and they said yes, it was. So I just told them to be safe and have fun. You've not only got to be aware of the other vehicles, but we are riding in the woods, so you have to watch out for our four-legged friends as well.
Hey, there goes a deer. Any more? Any more? Nope. Hey, where'd you go, buddy? There you are.
It's important to remember to look around for other animals when you see one, because they usually like to travel in packs. This little deer is a little bit hard to see, so I try to point her out here with this arrow. It is so cool to be able to go out and see things in nature. Hey guys, leave this video a like. Also, Help us out and subscribe to Riding in God's Country. We need you guys to help grow the channel. Guys, leave me some comments. Let me know some questions that you might have about trail riding. And I just want everybody to be able to gain the knowledge and have fun and be safe and explore riding in God's country. Remember, subscribe to the channel, guys. And if you got any friends that want to trail ride, let them know as well. Have them subscribe. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember, go out and have some fun and ride in God's country. May God bless you and keep you and yours safe.